Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can create an e-commerce website using the free Astra theme and the WooCommerce plugin. So we are not going to use any premium plugin or any premium theme. We are going to create an e-commerce website using the free Astra theme and the WooCommerce plugin. Let me show you the sample e-commerce website that I have created here. Now this website is created for the skincare product. You can change the layout, you can use your own layout and products, and you can customize this website. There are many different starter templates that you can use. So on this website we have some skincare products, you will see it here. Then we have some information. Then we have other products, testimonials, images, and this is the footer section. If I go to shop page, you will see the shop page where all the products are listed. We have the sidebar here where we can filter the products according to the price, according to the categories. If I go to single product page, you will see the layout of the single product page. You can add the product from here. You will also see the shopping cart in the right hand side. If I click on it, you will see the mini shopping cart here. If I go to checkout, you will see the checkout form. Customer can fill up the information and select the payment method and place the order. Here you will see account. It will show the account of the customer. This is the contact. So right now it shows all dummy content. I'll show you how you can customize the home page, how you can customize the shop page or the single product page. You can also customize the header and footer section. You can add your own logo, your own content in the header and footer section. You can customize the shop page. If you want to make it 4 columns, you can make it 4 columns. You can make it 2 columns. You can remove the sidebar. So it is very easy to customize the WooCommerce website using Astra theme. We are not going to use any pro plugin. However, if you use the Astra Pro plugin, you will get more customization option. So in this video, we will stick to the free plugin and free theme. And to customize the pages on this website, we are using Elementor Page Builder. So you will see how the Elementor Page Builder works. So let's see how we can create an e-commerce website using the free Astra theme and the WooCommerce plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a new installation of the WordPress website. Let me show you what do we have on this WordPress website. Let's go to appearance and let's see which theme we have. So this is the default 2023 theme that we have on this WordPress installation. And let's go to plugins here. And we do not have any plugins. Let's go to pages. And we have 2 sample pages here. So we do not have home or any other pages here. This is the demo WordPress website that I have installed using the 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 platform. This is one of the best platforms if you want to learn how the WordPress website works, if you want to create WordPress website for testing purposes, or if you want to create WordPress website for your clients, if you want to show the demo of the WordPress website to your client, you can definitely try using this tool, 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘. I have already published a video on how to use 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘. I'll give you the link in the description box if you want to watch this video. So let's go back to the WordPress website and let's start with the installation of the Astra theme. So we are going to use the Astra theme and we are going to create the e-commerce website using Astra. So let's go to appearance and go to themes again. Click on add new. And here you will see the Astra theme. If you do not see it here, you can simply search for Astra and you will see this Astra theme. This is the free version of the Astra theme. Click on install and click on activate. Alright, so the theme is activated and you will get the message here to install the starter templates. So we are going to use the starter templates which are available in Astra theme. For that, we will need to install the starter template plugin. So this is a free plugin that comes with the Astra theme. So let's click on install starter templates. Now the starter template is installed. Now it will ask you which page builder do you want to use to customize your website. So there are 3 different options. The default block editor, that is the WordPress Gutenberg editor. The second option is Elementor and the third option is Beaver Builder. So I mostly use Elementor because I'm very comfortable using Elementor and Elementor Pro plugin. You can see many videos that I have created on how to use Elementor and Elementor Pro plugin, how to create websites using Elementor plugin. If you want to watch videos about Elementor, I'll give you the link to the playlist that I have created for Elementor. Now in this example, I'm going to use the Elementor page builder. So I'm going to select Elementor. If you are comfortable with block editor, you can select that one. If you are comfortable with Beaver Builder, then you can use that one. If you don't know which one to use, I suggest go for Elementor. So I'm going to select Elementor. Now it will show you the starter templates that are available according to your page builder, that is Elementor. If you want to change page builder, you can click on this drop down box and select the page builder that you want. Here you can see different categories for the starter templates. We are going to create e-commerce website, and you will see a drop down box here, e-commerce, and from here you will see different options: online shop, clothing store, jewelry, sportswear, bookstore, and these are some e-learning templates that you can use. So I'm going to select online shop. Now here you will see the list of templates that you can use. Some of them are premium templates and some of them are free templates. If you want to use premium template, then you will need to go for the premium plugin. In this video, we are going to use one of the free template. So let's see which one we can use. So you will see these free templates are available here. Let's go back and let's search for clothing store. All right, let's try for skin cleanser store. Now these templates are according to different businesses. If you do not see your business here, you can use any one of these templates and you can replace the products which are there in these free templates with your own template. So if you're creating a website, let's say for shoes, and if you do not see any sample layout for the shoes, you can select any sample layout that you think is good, and after that you can replace the images and the products with your own products. Now in this example, I'm going to select this one, so I'm going to click on it, and here you will see how the website looks. So this is how it will look. You will see the menu, then we have the logo, then we have account and the cart option here, then we have banner, and these are some products which are listed here, and this is some information about your product, your store. Again, some products, then we have testimonials. Now you can customize these options. If you do not want any one of these sections, you can delete the section. If you want to add more section, you can add more section to the home page. All right, so this is how it will look. In the footer we have logo, menu, and social media icons, and this is the footer note. Now if you want to upload logo here, you can upload it here, otherwise you can skip and click continue. Now you will see color combination. Now here you will see some palettes that you can use. Let's say if I use this one, then you will see some change in the color like this. If I select this one, you will see the change. All right, so I'm going to use this color palette. You can change the colors manually also. So let's select this one. This is the font, and you can select any one of these fonts. You will see these options are available: Playfair, Poppins. So these are the font families that you can use. So I'm going to keep it on the default one, that is Quicksand, and click continue. So now it will ask you more about your personal details. So I'm going to enter the name here, and it is asking me for the email address, so I'm going to enter my email address here. Then it will ask you whether you are beginner or intermediate or expert, so I'm going to select beginner, and I want to build a website for myself, my company, or I want to build this website for my client. So in this case, I'm going to use myself. So it doesn't matter if you select my client or myself. So I'm going to select this one. If you want to receive newsletter, then you can check this box, otherwise you can keep it as it is. Now under advanced options, you will see import customizer settings, import widgets. So you need to check all these options so that it will import all the default images and the pages and the settings from the sample website. So I'm going to keep all these boxes checked and click on submit and build my website. Now it is going to import the demo and it is going to create a WordPress website for you. Alright, and you can see that the installation is completed and it took around 17 seconds to create this website. So it may take less than 1 minute to create this sample website. Now click on view your website and it will show your website. You can see that it is exactly similar to what we saw in the sample website. You will see the banner, then we have shop now, then we have some products here, some information, then again products and testimonials, images, and then we have footer. Alright, so this is how your website will look. At the top we have this menu bar, then we have logo, and this is account, and we have the cart option here. If I click on it, it will show all the products which are in the cart. If I go to shop, you will see all the products listed on the shop page. This is about, so you can enter some information about your business. Let's go to contact, and this is the contact page. Now we can customize all these pages and we can customize the header, footer, the shop page and single product page. So let's go back here and click on exit to dashboard, leave the page. So we will be back to the dashboard of the WordPress website. Now let's see how many pages are there. And you will see that there are 9 pages. So some pages are installed automatically. Now you can see we have about, cart, checkout, contact, my account, privacy policy and shop page. Now let's go to plugins and you will see all these plugins are installed automatically. We have checkout plugin for Stripe, Elementor header, footer, starter templates, variation swatches, WooCommerce and WP forms. Now I have created separate videos on all these plugins. So I'll give you the link in the description box if you want to know how these plugins work. Right here you will see WooCommerce, and under WooCommerce you will see all these options. We have some products. If I go to products, you will see some demo products are already added to your WooCommerce store. These are the products. We have 14 products added. If you want to customize these products, you can customize these products. If you want to delete, you can delete all these products and you can add your own product there. Now let me show you how does this work. Let's go back to the website, go to shop, and let's select one of the products here. So this is the single product page. We have add to cart. Let me add this to the cart. And here you will see the product is added to the cart. If I click on it, you will see the product in the cart. Now you can go to view cart and you will see this is the cart. Let's go to checkout and you will see the checkout option here. The customer can enter the first name, last name, email address, shipping address, and here it says, sorry, it seems that there are no available payment methods. So first we will need to add some payment gateways to your WooCommerce store so that you can accept payment from your customer. So let's go back to the dashboard, go to WooCommerce and go to settings. Now these are the basic settings of the WooCommerce store. This is the basic information about your business. You can add your address, your country, and if you want to sell this to all country, you can select all country, sell to all countries. If you want to sell the products to your country only, you can select your country from there. These are the shipping settings. Then you can select your currency. If you are from India, you can select Indian rupee. If you are from USA, you can select US dollar. And these are the basic settings. I have separate videos on all these settings. I'll give you the link in the description box. Now let's go to payments option here. And under payments, you will see these options are available to accept the payment. Let me turn on some of the options here. We can accept cash on delivery. If you want to accept check payments, you can enable that one. Here you will see Stripe. So if you want to accept payment using Stripe, you can enable that one. However, you will need to finish the setup. So you will need to enter your Stripe account details so that your WooCommerce store will be linked to your Stripe account. Now, these are the options. Let's save the changes. Now, if you want to add another payment gateway, you can also add another payment gateway. Here you will see discover other payment providers. Click on it. And this is the list of payment providers or the payment gateways which are compatible with the WooCommerce store. Let's say if you want to use PayPal payments, then you will need to install a plugin for that. Let's go to plugins and search for PayPal. And you will see the option here, WooCommerce PayPal payments. Click on install now. Click on activate. For each payment gateway, you will need to install a separate plugin. Let's go back to WooCommerce settings, go to payments, and you will see the PayPal will be added here. You can enable it, and again you will need to set up your PayPal account there. You will need to enter the settings for the PayPal and it will get activated. For example, you can activate PayPal. You can click on it. You will need to sign into your PayPal account and it will get linked. I have a separate video on that also. I'll give you the link in the description box. Let's go back to payments. Now let me refresh this one. Right now it shows there are no payment gateways. Click on refresh and you will see different payment gateways are added. This is the chat payment. This is cash on delivery. So you can select cash on delivery and you can place the order and it will get placed. Now, in order to activate the other payment gateways, you will need to finish the setup. All right, so this is all about the payment gateways. Now let's see how we can customize the website. Let's go back to home page. Now, what are the different sections of your website? The top section is the header section. In the header section, we have menu, logo, and this is account and shopping cart. Then below the header, we have the page content. So this is one of the home page. If I open contact page, you will see the header section will remain same. So this is called the common section for all the pages. At the bottom, we have footer section. So this is the footer section, which will also be common for all the pages. If I go to another page, you will see the footer section here. So this will be the common section for all the pages. Now, if you consider customization of the website, you are going to customize the header section, then you are going to customize the footer section. Then we have the shop page where all the products will be listed. So you need to customize the shop page. The default shop page looks good. If you still want to customize it, you can customize this one. You can change the color settings. You can change the layout. Right now it shows 3-column layout. If you want to change it to 4-column, you can change that. Here in the left hand side, we have a sidebar. If you do not want that, you can remove that. So you can customize the shop page. Then let's go to single product page. And this is how the single product page looks. If you want to customize it, you can customize it. I'll show you how to customize it. So this is the single product page. So as I said, we can customize header, then footer, shop page, product page, single page layout. If you are using blog, then you can customize the blog page, and also you can customize the single blog post page. So let's see how we can customize the header first. So let's go to the dashboard, and under appearance, you will see customize. All right, so click on customize. Now, if you go to any page, you will see customize option there also. All right, so we are on the customization. So now we are not using any pro plugin. We are using the default Astra theme and the free plugins. Let's go to the first option, that is global. Under global, you will see typography. If you want to change the font and font family, you can change it from here. Then we have colors. If you want to change the color palettes, you can change the color palette. If you want to customize it, you can customize it from here. I'm going to show you how you can customize it. I'm not going to customize it, but it is pretty simple. You just need to change the colors and it is going to reflect on the right hand side. Let's go to container. This is the container of the page. Right now it is set to normal, and there are two more options, narrow and full width. So I'm not going to make any changes because the default layouts are pretty good. You really do not need to make any changes to these advanced settings. Now this is the boxed layout. If I close this, you will see this is a box. All right, now if you want more customization, you can go for the Astra Pro plugin. I have a video on how to use the Astra Pro plugin, how to customize it using Astra Pro, because Astra Pro plugin will give you more customization options. Right now we are using the free theme, and there are some limitations to the customization in the free theme. Let's go back. Buttons, these are the default button settings which are already customized here. Then we have scroll to top. Right now it is not enabled. We are going to enable it, and you will see scroll to top here. Let's go back. Right now, next option is header builder. Now we are going to customize the header. When I click on header builder, you will see the layout here. We have this layout. In the left hand side, we have primary menu. This is the menu. Then we have logo and title. So this is the title and logo. And in the right hand side, we have account. This is the account, and this is the cart. All right, so we have 4 different blocks. If you want to change the layout, you can change the layout. You can change the settings. If you want this option here, you can do it, and it will go here. You can make this one here, and this is how it will look. So we have logo in the left hand side, then we have menu, and then we have these 2 options. Again, we are using the free theme, and we have limitations for the customization in the free theme. If you want more customization, you can go for Astra Pro. Now here you will see features of the Astra Pro plugin. If I go to site title and logo, you will see it here. If I click on it, I can see the logo. This is the logo we have. If you want to change and if you want to add your logo, you can click on change, and you can upload your own logo from here. If you want to add another logo for Retina devices, you can use that. This is the site title right now, so I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it to Perm Store. You will see it here. So this is the title of the website. Inline logo and site title. So this is the logo and site title. If you want to add tagline, you can add the tagline. Let's go back. We have account option here. This is the account option. You will see it here, and it goes to some other third-party website. So here, if I go to website and if I move the cursor here, it goes to third-party website. So we need to change this link. So let's go back to dashboard here. Go to pages. We already have my account page. So this is the my account page. Let's go to view. This is the URL of your website, my account page. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to replace this dummy website link with the new link. Here again, I'll see I can replace this one also. If you want this to open in a new tab, you can enable this one. Right now it shows the avatar, that is nothing but the logo of the account user. If you want to change it to icon, you can change it to icon, and you will need to upload the icon. So I'm not going to make any changes here. Now next option is cart. This is the cart option, and display cart count. So you will see the count here. We have 1 product in the cart, so it shows 1. If you do not want that, you can disable this one. This is the cart total. If you do not want to show it, you can disable it, and it will not show the total here. Now it shows the cart animation, that is slide in. Let me go to website. If I click on it, you will see the cart is sliding in. So there are 3 different types of animation: drop down, cart page, or slide in. Right now it is set to slide in, and this is the position left or right. So it is coming from the right side. Let's go back. Next is primary menu. So this is the menu. We have home, shop, about, and contact. Let's go to dashboard, and under appearance you will see menus, and you will see all the menu items here. If you want to add another item in the menu, you can select the item from here, and you can add that to your menu. So let's say I want to add my account. So I'm going to select that one, add that one, and click save menu. So it will get added to the main menu. You will see it here. Right now we have not changed and saved the settings here. So it shows the logo in the middle section because we have not saved these settings. So let's go back. So this is what we have in the header section. Okay, now if I want to make these changes, then I can click on publish, and these changes will be applied. So if I go back and refresh it, you will see the changes here. All right, the next section will be the footer section. So let's go back to customize, go back, and here you will see footer builder. Click on it, and this is what we have in the footer. This is widget 1. then footer menu, then social, and then copyright. So let's go back. This is the widget 1. Then we have menu, social icons, and the footer note. So if I click on copyright, you will see this copyright at the bottom, and these are the short codes for the copyright. If you want to add manually, you can delete this one and you can add your content here and it will be shown here. The next option is footer menu. So we have the same menu which is in the header. You will see it here. So this is placed here. If you want to change the location, you can change it. Let's say if I want footer menu after social menu, I can change it from here. So you can create different columns and you can change the position and you can customize the footer. I have a separate video on how to customize the footer in the Astra theme. I'll give you the link in the description box again. Now we have widget 1, which is nothing but this one. So if you want to see the widgets, you can go to appearance and go to widgets. If you scroll down, you will see footer widget 1. And we have this text in the footer widget 1. So this is the text it is showing here. If you want to add more options in the footer widget, you can simply click on the plus sign, and from here you can select any block that you want to add in the footer widget 1. So this is how the widget works. Let's go back. Now if you want to add any other item, you can simply click on it and you will see these options that you can add in the footer section. So if you want to add widget 2, you can add widget 2, drag it and drop it here and it will get added. And after that you can go to widget section and add the items in the widget 2. Alright, let's go back. Now I'm going to publish this. Now we want to customize the shop page and the single product page. So let's go to shop page here, and this is how the shop page looks. Okay, now let's go back, go to WooCommerce. The shop page will come under the WooCommerce section, and here you will see general, and these are the general settings of the WooCommerce. This is product catalog. Now product catalog is nothing but the shop page of your website. Let's go to shop here. All right, so this is the shop page and we are going to customize it. So this is the default layout. I'm not going to make any changes to the layout. And what do we have here? In the left hand side, we have a left hand sidebar, and in the right hand side, we are showing all the products. This is the sidebar layout. Right now it is in the left hand side. If you want it on the right hand side, you can select right hand side and it will get to the right hand side. Now we have the shop card. This is nothing but the shop card, and right now it is set to design 2. I can change it to design 1, and you will see a slight change in the design of the shop card. Now it shows 3 columns. If you want to change it to 2 columns, you can change it to 2 columns. And this is how it will look. If you want it 4 columns, you can make it 4 columns. However, I'm going to make it 3 columns. This one looks good. And I'm going to change it to design 2 again. Right now, below that we have the custom width. No need to make any changes here. And what do you want to show on the shop page? We have the option show products, show categories, and show categories and products. So on the shop page, if you want to show only the categories, then you can select show categories. However, I think show products is the best option. If you're selecting category, then category display will be show products. And this is the default product sorting. You can sort it by popularity, average rating, sort by most recent, or you can sort by price. So I'm going to keep it on default sorting option. Now below that you have shop cart structure. So this is the shop cart structure. At the top you have categories. So this is the category of this particular product. If you do not want to show it, you can disable it and it will go away. This is the category option. Then we have title of the product. This is the title of the product. Then we have ratings and the price. Now I do not want to show the ratings, then I can hide it and it will not show the rating of that product. Other options are short description. If you enable it, it will show the short description of this particular product. So I'm going to disable it. And the next option is add to cart. You can enable the add to cart and it will show the button there, add to cart, for each product. Now here you will see some more options which are available in the Pro plugin. So if you want more customization, you can go for the Pro plugin. All right, and this is the right hand sidebar. Now let me show you how you can make changes to the right hand side. You need to go to widgets and you can close this one and you will see this is the main sidebar. This is the footer widget 1 and you will see this here, WooCommerce sidebar. Click on it. You will see the sidebar which is showing here. We have filter by price, filter by category and recently viewed products. If I go to widgets, you will see these three options here, filter by price, category and recently viewed products. If you want to add any other options, you can simply click on the plus sign, search for WooCommerce and you will see all the WooCommerce options that you can add in the sidebar. Let's say I want to add mini cart. So I want to put it at the top here. So I'm going to click on it, drag it and drop it at the top. So it will show the mini cart here. Let's update it. Let's refresh it. And you will see the mini cart here. This is how you can customize the sidebar. Let's go back. We are going to save the changes now. Click on publish. We have the sidebar in the right hand side. Let's refresh it. And you will see the sidebar in the right hand side. Now we have add to cart button here. Let's go to one of the product page here. And we will see how we can customize the single product page. Go to customize, go back and you will see single product. So these are the settings for the single product. Let's go to one of the single product here. This is how it will look. And now you can change the settings. You can see the options available. We have category at the top. Then we have title, rating, price. This is the price. Short description. We have short description here. Then add to cart and then meta. So you will see meta, add to cart. So if you want to add payments, you can enable it. And you will see the payment options here. You can customize that one. You can add your own product image here. If you click on drop down, you will see these options are available. Visa, MasterCard, American Express. And if you want to add more, you can add more. This is the title, you will see it here. Now if you do not want any one of these options, you can again disable that one. Enable breadcrumb. You can enable the breadcrumb. Let's enable it. And this is the breadcrumb at the top. It will show the home page. Then we have category and this is the product page. Enable shipping text. If you have any shipping text, it will show that here. Free shipping, such as it shows free shipping option here. Then we have inline and stack option. Right now it is set to stack. If I select inline, it will not show it because we do not have any variation for this product. Now there are different types of products that you can create, a simple product and variable product. So variable product will have different variations for that product, such as size, color. So you can create different types of variations for each product. I have a separate video on how to create variable product. Now I've enabled sticky add to cart. If I enable it, it will show sticky add to cart on the page. If I scroll down, you will see the sticky add to cart at the top. You can change it to the bottom. So it will show the add to cart at the bottom, just like this. Let's publish it and let's see how does this look. Let's go back and let me refresh it. You will see the breadcrumb added here, add to cart. If I scroll down again, you will see the sticky add to cart at the bottom. Then we have related products here. Let's go back. We have descriptions, reviews. Now if you want to change the color combination, you can go to design option here and you can change the color combination from here. Let's say I want to change the background color. I can select the background color. This is for the sticky add to cart. This is the sticky add to cart. If I want to change the background color, I can change it just like this. You can change the text color, button text. So it shows the customization option only for the sticky add to cart. If you want to change the other color settings, you will need Pro plugin. You will see the options here. So some features are not available in the free version. Let's publish it. Let's go back. We have cart, checkout, miscellaneous, product image and store notice. If you want to add any store notice, you can add the store notice and enable that option. Now these other settings are pretty simple. You can go through these settings. In this video, I just want to show you how you can create and customize the WooCommerce website. Now, if I go back, you will see breadcrumb, blogs. So if you want to create blog page, you can create it and you can customize the blog page. If I go to single page layout, you will see the option for the single page layout. Sidebar, footer builder, these are the site identity. Now let's go to the home page and let's see how we can customize it. Let's go to home. All right, so this is the home page, and on this website we are using Elementor page builder. Let me go to pages here. So these are the pages, and on all these pages you will see Elementor. So these pages are created using Elementor page builder. So if you want to customize this page, you can click on edit with Elementor. Let's close this one. Now here you will see navigator. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 sections on this home page. If you want to go to the last section, you can simply click on it. It will go to that section. In this section, we have column, then we have heading and button. So this is the heading, this is the heading, and this is the button. If you want to customize this section, you can select the section, go to style settings, and you can customize this section from here. This is the background image. If you want to change it, you can click on it and you can upload your own image from here. If you want to change the background color, you can change it. Layout, this is the box layout, minimum height is there. So these are the basic customization. So these are pretty basic settings. So you need to play with the settings. If you want to change this text, you can simply click on it and you will see the text in the left hand side. You can change it from here. If you want to change this text, you can click on it and you will see the text here. So whatever changes you want to make, you can go to that section, you can click on it and you will see the changes that you can make on the left hand side. This is the button. If I want to change the text on the button, I can click on it and this is the text. Now here you can link this to your shop page. Right now it is not linked to anything. So you can copy the shop page link. This is the shop page. Copy the link and paste it here. So this button will get linked to the shop page. Below that we have new arrivals. It is going to show some products here. Let me show you. This is the shop page. We have new arrival, and under new arrival we have 8 products. So if I click on it, you will see we have a short code here. This is nothing but the WooCommerce short code. So if you do not know how to use the WooCommerce short code, you can also use the Elementor Pro plugin and you can add the products directly to the page. Let me show you. If I go here and search for WooCommerce or search for products, you will see an option here, products. Right now it is locked because we are not using Elementor Pro plugin. If you have Elementor Pro plugin, you can simply drag it and drop it here and you can customize the product settings and you can show whatever products you want to show on this page. So right now we are using the short code which is generated using the WooCommerce. What does it say? It has 8 products in 4 columns, order by ID. All right, if I go here, you will see we have total 8 products in 4 columns. If you want to know how you can use WooCommerce shortcodes, you can simply search for WooCommerce shortcodes and you will see many different shortcodes that you can use. Below that, we have an image and some text here. So if you want to change it, you can change it. If you want to add your own text, you can add your own text. If you want to add any other element, you can simply go here and you will see many different elements that you can use. Let's say I want to use Google Maps. I can simply drag it and drop it here and I can add the address and it will show the map here. If I want to delete, I can delete it. Now if you do not want this entire section, you can simply click on this one and this section will be deleted. This is the section, you can change it. If I click on it, you will see it is using icon box. We have icon, then title, and then description. You can add your own description. You can add your own title from here. and you can add your own icon here. So if I click on it, you will see these many icons that you can use. Then we have a banner, then we have title and button. So it is not difficult to customize these pages. You can use Elementor, and Elementor is pretty simple to use. Then we have some gallery images. So you can see images. If you want to customize, you can delete these images and you can add your own images here. All right, now below that we have this option. Now we have this footer here, but we do not see this option to customize. If I click on it, I'm not able to customize it because this is created using footer builder. Let me show you again. If I go to dashboard, go to appearance, and here you will see Elementor header and footer builder. Click on it, and this is the option created before footers. So this comes before the footer. So this is actually the footer section, and this is before footer that is created using a different plugin. So if you want to customize it, you can go here and click on edit with Elementor, and you will see it here. So if you want to change it, you can simply click on it, change the icon, title, description. Again, change the icon, title, description, and you can customize it. Once done, you can update it and it will show the updated before footer here. I have not shown you the detailed customization because I have separate videos on all these customizations. I'll give you the link in the description box if you want to know how to customize header, footer, shop page, single product page. You can watch those videos and that will give you pretty good idea about customization. Now this layout is for the skincare products. You can change these products. Let me show you the products again. Here you will see products. Click on products. You will see all these products here. Now if you want to edit this product, you can simply go to this product, go to edit, and edit the product from here. This is the name of the product. This is the description. You will see image here, and this is the product price, the price of the product. This is the regular price. If you want to change the sale price, you can change the sale price. Let's say I want to sell it at $25, and here you can see inventory, shipping, linked products. If you want to create variable product, you can select variable product, and then you can create variations for the product. I'll give you the link about how to create simple product, variable products, downloadable products. You can watch those videos. So this is how you can customize the product page. Here you will see short description. You will see the category of the product. If you want to add product gallery, you can add the product gallery also. Let me save this. Let me update this and let me show you the changes. Let's go, let's open this one, and you will see two prices. This is the regular price and this is the sale price that we created. Now if you want to add new product, you can click on new product. Here you can add the title, then description, the price, the sale price, short description which will be shown on the here. Then you can add the category for this product. If you do not have the category here, you can simply click on add new category and add the new category. Also you can add the product image. Now if you want to delete any one of these categories, you can click on categories, and from here you can delete any one of these categories, or you can add new category for the products. Alright, so this is how you can create an e-commerce website using Astra theme and the WooCommerce plugin. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.